Before you install the truck and put them together, remove black tape, release this wire. Do not move these pieces. Do not install motor. Release the wire first. Second, very important moment, install this piece over here or here. Next step, you see the wire, plastic over here, and on the left side no screw, and we see the screw and plastic here. So you just need to pull and bring it closer to this piece, and as you see, the truck is like gonna close like that. You see, he is right there. Remove the screw. Okay, got it. The screw removed. Push it and put the screw over here. Done. So truck is almost assembled. As you see, two screw over here with two plastics, two screw over here with two plastics. It's connected, and you can move this piece. Okay. Yeah. Install 4 screws. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. It's ready for motor installation now. So there is lock over here and screw over here. So just attach the motor and close it like this. Now it's installed properly, as you see. Now the truck ready for installation on the wall or window.